Kokborok, Report Kokborok, Joto Borok Sisade, Joto Borok Sisade,
Hakni Kokbai, Hakni Nambai, Pongmak Hatutu. Ojorak Ketal, Kini Bumum Kesam.
Joto Borok Sisade, Joto Borok Sisade, Joto Borok Sisade, Report Kokborok, Report Kokborok, Report Kokborok.
Bum Slengadang. Senai Gere, Kok Sawan, Kachibro. Kachimutai, Bishu Salsati Gugna Payo.
Have left that the people of this land, the indigenous people of this land, have been struggling and asking and demanding for Roman script and the Kokborok. Some for decades, more than 40 years in Lai Tangka, Soba Klaimang. Antini Kacha no sini Siklar Tanimo, Cox Hawaii and message from Musogo. There is an intention there. Sini Odo Fasini O Zatino, Sokomoroni Bangoy, Sini Sinimungno, Sokomoroni Bangoy, Sini Kokno Sokomoroni Bangoy, or Neo Belai Kotormas Horizontal Tongo, almost in Belai clear. Omokok Sakake Baksan political message, political speech, but it automatically comes in my mind. If we look at the history, Canada among my indigenous people, extinct in Kakamai Tanka, Borne identity klika, Borne Kokrika, Australia among my original Bororo, Kamai Tanka, Borne Kokrika, Borne Sumun Kurini Bangoy, Borne identity Krini Bangoy, New Zealand is the same. Sri Lanka is the same. Kamangma subcontinent ro omahai klaimna ap origin. Indigenous people, original people rokni kamai thangmani sangmo extinct man nogom. Reason being borok ni identity pila sukmanai. The majority borok je rural hi tone rok, intellectual group tone rok, borok ni instinct, borok ni intention omono. Motha sikong borok sikong dofa sikano sokomori nani rule klainani. Among instinct, among history, probes, Clayo, and Chiklarok, Mirok Mitani Okona Sana Musago. The time has come for you and for me. Sensini, Tuitang Baizaka, or Hawak Grika, Sini Hawak Grika, and Samana, 5 decades, almost 50 years of Monosoba Kaimani. The money Homale, Taboko Royako, Taboko Sing Mayako. Omoni bangai nasini omahai jorawo Roman script for Kokborok coba hiseng business sekang oma form klaika joto 56 constituent body by khaza klaiwinai omono seng tebu ma rak sarunai tebu ma omono yagma pholok lainai tani homole angderokno angtiniwo sengkra khninai sanai tani homole sirina hormon Roman script for Kokborok soba only sengkra can move forward. Sengkra, seng joto sengkra, oh hasakau seng sarbai, kaidan yang ngakai seng sengkra, seng toyar makhalainai. Ang taisingo koroksa sini, North East channel ni English channel lang monosaka. Now it is zero tolerance. This generation we
and all the leaders here present, city leaders, activists, and different social organization leaders, artists, singers, everyone. Since Simono. We know that the demand for Roman script for Kokborok Joba, it has been more than a decade. It has been more than 50 years that the demand for Roman script has been placed to the government. But till now we know that the government are silent and they were a silent spectator. They never wanted the issues of the indigenous people to be solved. And today from this very gathering in this sit-in demonstration, I want to pass the message to the government and as well as to all the people, the Kokborok speaking people especially. To choose our script should be decided by the indigenous people, by the Kokborok speaking people, by the Kokborok speaker. What language, what script to choose for us language. It is the matters of us, of our people. It is not the matters of any other community. It is because we know that the language is our pride identity. Since Simon Kokborok language is one of the richest language. We have so much pride and identity in our language. I want to remind my dear fellow peoples, my dear friends, brothers, in the history, looking back, we know that there is a creation of different country based on language movement. That is the example we know in our neighboring country. Bangladesh has not been just created. There is a movement for language, for the identity, for the protection of language of Bengali. That is why just after the independence of India and Pakistan, there was a movement of language, of Bengali language. That is how the Bangladesh has been created. They succeeded in 1971. There was a creation of Bangladesh in 1971. This is all the result of the language movement of the Bengali people for their language. In the same way, from this very gathering, I want to pass the message that we shall overcome. We will win. We'll bring the victory. We'll write in Roman script whatever we want. It is our identity. It's a matter
for to make any MLA or MDC. This is to die for our Roman script and for our Kokborok. If you are ready to die, you come. Please come here. Don't expect that this platform will make MLA or MDC or any chairman or more province MLA MDC chairman. Please. And yak turke sawo any neta okay if he loves Roman script, if he loves Kokborok, please आ जाओ इसमें बैठो हमारे साथ इनकलाब जिंदाबाद करो ठीक है okay at the same time ang kaisa 30 point kan sung last 50 years political develop kali pelaja andron kali pelaja tabu kini of platform na simi ang sarani nayo sini dol ni torok hoite dokani torok hoite. Let us make a social revolution. Social revolution. Samajik develop kalai no political gain, no political solution. Kenapa politically obakun demo solution mereka. Abono ang cinta kalayo, abono bagian ang saranayo. Appeal kalayo to every educated, every corner, every people, young, old, everybody, every society. Semua social revolution. Samajik develop kalai nai. Obasara. Ekulu chance kore success nani. Fourthly, ang precisely saranayo je sini Kokborok sarani to speak our Kokborok is at our liberty. Sini sadinota at our liberty. Oro kebono sung bohogola trimo biya kebono musumani biya sini mani kok sarani jotoni odhikar. If Kokborok non-speaking group they speak their own language, we appreciate. But then I appeal to the non-Kokborok speaking group to appreciate our language because this is my mother tongue. The way you love your mother tongue, you must love and respect my mother tongue also. Angkai awal bagainya ang appeal kalayo for non-speaking people. Ang kebuno Joni Samo puya, ang kebuno Nasri Sanan puya. This is not a platform to hate anybody, to revolt against anybody. But then we humbly petition, submit our petition. We humbly appeals to our non-speaking people. Please, you must, the way you love your language, you must show your love and respect for our Kokborok also. Then only there is Samani kok tongo, nana basa, nana bom, nana puridan, bibi deri magat majadeko milan mohan. If that is the case, then the way you love your language, you must love my Kokborok also. Then only Milon Mohan. There is possible of Milon Mohan. Hey, Diba, I know Nunkani Kokro Nasir Zago. And hey, Kok Resawa, Milon Mohan. Hey, Diba, there cannot be any Milon Mohan. You must respect my Kokborok also. Okay, take a sana yo, sini, learned speaker of Fatima Saitaka, commission, commission cannot solve any problems. Setting the commission, last 50 years we have tried. Last 50 years in commission, commission, Sama commission, did not solve. These are all politicized. These are all politicized. Ang tabuk sana nayo, appeal kalayo, ini all platform ni matome, there should be referendum. Ang kok sanai, ang kamu by kok sanai, kamu by sinai. This is my liberty and my liberty. Amu ni bagi ni no. Tini sunjok tu saya mana 99% Kokborok speaking group they want Roman script. Roman script. Let there be referendum. Hadi ground of Puri Sinai. Who loves Roman script? Referendum. Or commission. Let there be referendum. Then the finally government will decide. Kaje sino social regulation ni madome the beginning of social regulation awon waita manda khatal sampane manda penai takuk te buku jotono na humble request kalayo sino social regulation ini ni simi oro sen camera paskang basale chiripok lema biya it will continue abo pratekta puna kachia hu doctor takan soginai we want Roman spirit for Kokborok. Kaje ochikun sakok sainai ang kaina hayani sobani cibai yapere hamari ko khani handa mongla pore ani o kok thai saini orno bakaka long live Kokborok.